everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So right now we are heading to a salon near the airport. So I'm gonna review a service for you guys. So it's for Beauty MNL, and it's a service available at Deal Grocer. So my hair is a mess right now kasi hindi hindi ako siya nakapag-ayos ng hair, pero okay lang kasi the treatment we're gonna undergo today is for the hair. So after that, I need to run errands and then film. So we finally hit 100,000K on my channel. So I'll be filming my 100K giveaway later on today so that I can upload right away tonight. So watch out for that. I'm now here at the salon, guys. So the hair color just started, and later on in this video, you would find out kung ano yung color that I picked out for my hair. So yeah, this is going to be a review for Beauty MNL and Deal Grocer, and so far I'll tell you about it later. Done with my hair appointment, guys, and for today's outfit of the day, ito ulit yung suot ko. Favorite top, and then jeans from Dorothy Perkins. So I have to go na kasi andyan na yung Uber. Kumuha na ako ng Uber. So if ever you want to visit Jessie Mendez, you're at Marriott Hotel. Second floor siya ng Marriott Hotel. Tapos pupunta na kayo doon sa may pool area to take the elevator. We're gonna go to Mall of Asia next to buy something from Forever 21. Now in my Uber, guys. So again, if you haven't tried Uber, use my code UberSayTyoko. You will get your first ride for free. Kanina pala, when I went into the salon, medyo may attitude kasi yung mga tao doon. I didn't want to say it there, syempre andun sila. Pero, ewan ko, I don't think they know what I do for a living. I don't know if alam nila nagre-review ako ng services nila. Pero, attitude talaga. Alam ko yung mga ganyang attitude. And then, I complained na talaga when the girl who was doing the other side of my hair, di ba may color na yung buhok ko, and then she put my hair sa harap ng mukha ko. So, yung color ng hair nag-sting sa mata ko. Sabi ko, bakit mo nalagay sa mukha ko? Ang sakit ng mata ko. And naka-contact lens pa ako nun. So sabi ko, ano ba naman yun? And then, and then the other guy, siya yung senior callers, whatever. He was like, are you a worker for Deal Grocer? Sabi ko, no, I'm a vlogger and I'm doing a review for this. Doon lang sila bumait sa akin. Sabi ko, ano ba naman tong service na to? Nakakaloka. Kaya parang medyo bad trip ako kanina. Kasi naman, di ba? Parang pagpasok pa lang, they were not at all accommodating. Hindi sila warm. Except for the receptionist. Mabait yung receptionist. Pero yung mga iba, parang, ano ba yan? Ayaw magtrabaho. Medyo na-off lang talaga ako doon. So, I know I'm doing this video for Beauty MNL, pero I just have to voice out my opinion. I did not really get a really 100% good, what do you call this? Impression about the people there. Kaya sabi ko, anyway, siguro yun lang, sila lang siguro. And maybe they were having a bad day, pero yun lang naman ang aking rant for today. Anyway, we're gonna go to Mall of Asia to use up a GC that I have received from Maybelline. So, bibili tayo ng something. Now here at Forever 21, medyo madami akong iti-try on. So, we'll see kung anong kukunin ko dito. Here's the first top, guys. It's too much cleavage. Medyo booby siya. Pero I like it. I like the color. And I like this. This one is similar to the first one. Pero ito, detachable siya. Ganyan. Here's the third one, guys. Cute. Top siya. Na ito, medyo tawag dito. Finally home, guys. So, ang binili ko sa Forever 21 is yung yoga pants. Something to use to the gym. Kasi I'll be going back to the gym by siguro next week. So hungry. Hindi ako kumain ng lunch. So, I have to cook muna. Tapos, kakain ako. Look at this, guys. Ito yung ang tawag doon, yung sa makeup class ni Solen. Pero it's my face. Kaya sabi ko, medyo nagrupot siya sa bag. Kaya nilagay ko sa ilalim ng table na to. If you're wondering where I got my table from, Furniture Source Phils. I'll have the link in the information box. Done cooking rice again with my Edmark Smart Mini Rice Cooker. Medyo weird lang kasi bumubukas ng part na to kapag niluluto siya. Pero perfect naman yung pagluto. And now we're cooking Nonya curry again. I have the potatoes over here. The first part is cooking the chicken. Kailangan maluto muna ito ng bongga. And then ilalagay ko yung potatoes para maging tender. And then water. And then the sauce. And then the coconut. Ito yung gamitin natin. Asian Home Gourmet Singapore Chicken Curry. Singapore. Yummy. Tapos ito lang yung ginagamit kong gata. Lasap Instant Gata Mix. Sarap. Nilagay ko na yung patatas with the water. Now we're just gonna let this simmer for a bit. Next step is the curry paste. Ow! And then we put in the coconut milk. It's done, guys. Perfect na siya. Love it. Now it's time to eat. That's it for today's vlog, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye! Kumakain na ako sa lalagyan ko. Para siyang baonan. Love it.